What is up, everyone? Captain Shoes back at Dairy Queen, and I'm here to try out this October 2022's Blizzard of the month. It is a Snickers Brownie Blizzard that we are going to dig right into because I still live in Florida and it's already melting. But before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments, tell me if you've had the Snickers Brownie Blizzard, if you have, what you think, what you like, what you don't like, or any other Blizzard on the menu that you think I need to try out because maybe it's a favorite of yours. But with that being said, I love Snickers, I love brownies, so you would think that this has got to be a perfect match for me. So let's dig in. Alright, let's take a pause right here before I tempt fate anymore and get a horrible brain freeze. This is great. This is really good. You're getting these big chunks of brownies that are mixing really nice with the peanuts and the caramel of the Snickers. It works great. And it is delicious. It is tasty. It's got a good texture when it's in your mouth and on your tongue and being chewed up. It's just a nice feeling. I am liking this an awful lot. I got a good amount of stuff in every spoonful. I talk about that all the time. Blizzards are always dependent upon the amount of stuff, and this one has the stuff. So you can't go wrong with that. I've got chocolate, I've got brownie, I've got peanuts, I've got caramel. Man, that's good. That's a good little Blizzard. So I mean, I really couldn't be happier with this. I'm gonna give it a quadruple main man 4 stars. Really good combination. Works really well. Is delicious. Just so good and such a great little treat dessert. And I earned it. I earned it and I treated myself. And things worked out like gangbusters. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me something in the comments, tell me what you think, what you thought, what you like, what you don't like. Otherwise, until next time, friends.